Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Raji Maurya from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, here we are going to discuss the properties of whole number under the operation of subtraction. In last video, we have discussed the problem that based on addition, and also we have seen the properties of addition over the whole number. Here we shall discuss the question which form the which has the property of whole number with subtraction. So let's start. So that the properties of whole number, sorry, the properties of whole number. So here the first property is the closure property. So let us see what is the closure property. As we know that if we take any two whole number, suppose करिए 4 और 5 हमारे पास दो होल नंबर हैं। अगर इनके बीच में हम कोई भी एक ऑपरेशन लगाते हैं, ये स्टार समझ लीजिए कोई भी एक ऑपरेशन है। अगर इसको लगाने के बाद कोई हमको एक नंबर मिलता है, सपोज दैट कि हमको मान लीजिए एक नंबर मिल गया x। अगर ये x भी होल नंबर फैमिली का ही मेंबर होता है, मतलब ये x भी एक क्या हो, होल नंबर होता है, तो हम कहते हैं कि ये क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को सेटिस्फाई करता है। ओके, तो चलिए क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में देखते हैं। इस सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में क्या होल नंबर क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई करते हैं या नहीं करते। सो द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इज गिवन। लेट अस कंसीडर any two whole number, say 4 and 5. Here we consider two whole number 4 and 5, and if 4 minus 5 is equal to 1, 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So from this statement we conclude that since 4 and 5 are whole numbers, and we know that all whole numbers are positive in nature, but minus 1 is a negative number, and in the family of whole number there is no any members that are negative. Therefore minus 1 is not a whole number. So when we operate any two whole number with the operation of subtraction, the result will not be a whole number, which shows that it does not satisfy closure property. Therefore, the whole number don't satisfy closure property under the operation of subtraction. So student, I hope the closure property is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next, that is the commutative property. So let us see what is the commutative property. In order to prove the commutative property, let us consider any two whole number. And the whole number here we have taken 4 and 5. And if first we subtract 4 minus 5, we get the result as minus 1. And 5 minus 4, why is it so? Here we change the order of these two number only. So in the first case, this is the first case, and in the first case we subtract 5 from 4 and we get the difference as -1. In the second case, when we subtract 4 from 5 we get the result as 1. So in the both case we can see that -1 does not equal to +1, which implies that 4 minus 5 does not equal to 5 minus 4, and hence closure property does not holds good under subtraction. So student, I hope these two property is clear to everyone. Now let's see the next property. The next is associative property. So let us see what is the associative property. Let In order to prove associative property we need at least three elements. So here we have considered 4, 5 and 6. But student, you can take 3, 4 and 5 because by mistake the solution is done over 3, 4 and 5. So that let 3, 4 and 5 are any three whole numbers, then the arrangement of associativity is A minus B minus C. Okay, so we follow the same rule and we write 3 minus 4 minus 5. So by the concept of simplification we solve the number first that are inside the bracket. So we get 3 minus and 4 minus 5 will equal to -5 minus 1. So that this will be equal to 3, and minus minus this minus and this minus become plus and 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So in the first case we get the result as 4. Now let's see the second format, that is A minus B minus C. So in the first we write 3 minus 4 minus 5. So here first we solve the number which are inside the bracket. So 3 minus 4 which equal to -1 and -5. Therefore -1 -5 both are the negative numbers, so they will be added and here we get -6. So from these two conditions we conclude that 4 does not equal to -6. Okay, it is impossible case. How you can say that 4 will equal to -6? So this is the impossible. Okay, therefore the first arrangement, that is A minus B minus C, does not equal to A minus B minus C, so that 3 minus 4 minus 5 does not equal to 3 minus 4 minus 5, and hence associative property does not holds good under subtraction. Under addition it is possible, but under subtraction it is does not goods hold. So student, I hope the third property, that is the associative property, is clear to everyone. Now let's see the next, that is a subtraction by 0. Okay, ZERO, subtraction by 0. So let us see what is the property of subtraction by 0. As we know that when any non-zero number when any non-zero number and 0 is subtracted from this number, this does not change the value of the given number. So in this case, if we take any whole number, suppose 5 be any whole number and 0 is subtracted from 5, we get the result as 5. Similarly, if we take 99 minus 0 is equal to 99. So in the general case, we can say that if a is any whole number and 0 is subtracted from a, we get the result as a. So that this is the subtraction property, in which it is said that when 0 subtracted from any number, it does not change the value of the given number. So that 0 is called additive identity. Since subtraction is the reverse operation of addition, therefore here 0 is also called identity element. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's see some problem that based on this property. So the first question is, work out the following subtraction and check your answer. The first question is 1000 minus 365. So first of all, in this question we shall subtract. So we write 1000 minus 356. So here when we subtract, so here we can see that 6 cannot be subtracted from 0. Therefore we take borrow from 1, it will become 10. Again it give 1 itself, so it will become 10, and again this become 10, and now 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, and here the remaining number is 9. So it will remain as 9, and 9 minus 5 it become 4, and here it is remain as 9, and 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore we get the difference as 654. Therefore 654 will be the right answer. In order to check the answer, we have two ways, but in this question I will show you the one, and in the other question I will show the other method to check the answer. So in this question we have to subtract this difference from 1000, and if we get the number 356, therefore 3 therefore our subtraction will be true. So here we subtract 644 from 1000, so we get 356. So that 356 is the second number that we have to subtract from 1000 to get 654. Therefore our result is true. Okay, so in this way we can check the answer. Now let's see the next question. In the next question, 227,601 minus 4,382. So first we subtract, so we write 27601 minus 4382, and now subtract, so we get 11 minus 2, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 2. Therefore, 23,219 is the required difference. Now let's check the result. In order to check the result, if we add 23,219 to 4,382, and if we get 27,601, then our result will be true. So in the next case, if we add in 23,219 plus 4,382, and if we get the result as 27,601, so that our result is true. So student, in this way we can find out the result. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then please mention a comment in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in the next video. Till then, goodbye.